The next way to build, the second way to bill, is a project fee. Okay, project fees are awesome. It's the client's favorite way because if you overshoot what you thought you bid on the project, well then it's capped, right? You can't come back and say, I need more hours. We go, hours? The client says, oh, we didn't talk about hours. We talked about you completing the project for $5,000. Now you're saying it's going to take an extra $2,000 or $3,000 because more hours? Nah, I didn't pay for that, bro. So it's the client's favorite way to work, but also if you know how much time it takes you, it could also be your favorite way to bill, because if you work faster, then it doesn't punish you like hourly. Hey, I got the project done. I quoted 10. I got the project done in 5 hours. The client goes, great, here's less money. If you're fast at what you do, this is where project-based pricing kind of mixes with value-based pricing. If you watch like Chris Do in The Future and those guys, because they'll say, we don't charge hourly. We say, here's how much value I bring to the project, but really it's the project-based fee, right? So, if you're still able to juggle clients in project-based fee, if done right, it can be really, really great. If done wrong, it can be really bad. What is doing project-based fees wrong? Scope creep. What is scope creep? When you set the scope of the project and outline the expectations of the project and then what actually needs to be accomplished in the project, creeps outside of that estimation, and now you're losing money. So you have to be, the way to combat that when you're doing project-based pricing is to over-communicate. Here's all that you're getting. You're only getting these screens. You're only getting this many iterations. You're only getting this blah, 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 blah. I will not deliver these things. I will not give you those things. So you have to do a lot of I wills and I won'ts, because it has to be really clear. Because when the client comes back and goes, hey, I wanted more, you go, no. That's not what we talked about inside the proposal or inside of the contract. Remember, it's only these things. So you have to be very specific about the times you're available to work, about milestones and fees and iterations, everything. I'm saying project-based can be great, but beware, because you can get yourself into some serious trouble.